I am very happy that you are keeping Sindhi culture alive. I am very happy that Sindhi language is still a living language, that Sindhis produced a trinity of poets, amongst whom Shah Abdul Latif is supposed to be the greatest poet. Scholars the world over who are masters of linguistics and particularly poetry have come to the conclusion that Shah Abdul Latif was superior to Tagore and Shakespeare combined. Shah's Rasalo has been translated in various languages. I have never seen a poet who in the Sindhi language has used so much of alliteration. Gola je golanja tinjo thya gulam. Gola je golanja tinjo thya gulam. Sabr je shamshir sa kar kine ke katlam. That is the philosophy of Shah Abdul Latif.